Okay, now I will demonstrate my new recliner. As you can see, it lays nice and flat out. And now watch this. For those extra lazy times, when it's a little bit hard to get up, there we go. Get right up and walk away. And settle back into normal position. And the legs come up, legs go down, etc. Anyway, that's my new recliner. It's the first brand new piece of furniture I think I ever bought in my life. I've always bought used furniture or gotten stuff from somebody, and this one I actually bought. So anyway, that's my recliner. That's all for now.